To know on how to connect Pabbly with Instagram, the first thing is click the Create Workflow button and then type the name of your workflow and then click Create button. On the next page, search for Instagram and then just choose any of these two and then choose your preferred trigger event. Click Connect and then click Connect with Instagram Lead Ads button. And then it will ask you to sign in using your Facebook. All right. Now you know on how to connect Pabbly with Instagram and watch this playlist if you ever get stuck setting this up.